Well, we're in the main dashboard of SealyDoc, the anti-sanitation software for the food industry. We've loaded our completed Excel template, and now we're going to look at the report. We have two templates loaded. Here is the date, name, producer, everything that corresponds to what was inside our template with the expiration date, date of manufacture, everything that goes with that. Here is the section for expiration dates, and you can find everything that is expired with all the data that you put inside.